Hello children, how are you all? Hope everybody is safe and fine at home. In this video, we are going to learn about female reproductive system. Female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovary, oviduct or fallopian tube and uterus. These are the parts of female reproductive system. Ovary. A pair of ovaries located in both sides of abdomen. What are the functions of ovary? Female germ cells, that is, eggs are produced in the ovary. And ovary also secretes female hormones like estrogen, progesterone. When a girl is born, thousands of immature eggs are present in the ovary. When puberty is attained, that means the body gets maturity, some of these eggs start maturing. One egg is produced every month by one of the ovaries. If the egg is fertilized, this matured egg is fertilized, it will be implanted in the uterus. If the egg is not fertilized, then the uterus lining will come out from the ovary. Oviduct or fallopian tube. Oviduct or fallopian tube receives the egg which is produced by the ovary and transfer it to the uterus. So fallopian tube is the site of fertilization of the egg. That means fusion of gametes take place in the fallopian tube. After the fertilization, the fertilized egg is transferred to the uterus through the fallopian tube and the egg is implanted in the uterus where it gets developed into zygote or the embryo. Uterus. It is a bag-like structure where development of the embryo takes place. Fertilization of egg. What happens when egg is fertilized in the oviduct? The fertilized egg, which is known as zygote, is implanted in the uterus and develops into embryo. How does this embryo gets nutrition from the mother? The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special tissue called placenta. This placenta provides a large surface area for the exchange of glucose, oxygen, and waste material. So the embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood. The time period from fertilization up to the birth of the baby is known as gestation period. In human being, it is about 9 months. When the egg is not fertilized, what happens? Every month when ovary releases the matured egg, that time some changes occur in the uterus. So the uterus prepares itself every month to receive the fertilized egg. The lining of the uterus becomes thick and spongy, which is required to support the embryo. When fertilization does not take place, this lining is not needed any longer. The lining breaks and comes out as blood and mucus. This cycle takes around 28 days every month, which is known as menstruation. Reproductive health. Reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, social, and behavioral. To give birth to a healthy individual, the reproductive health of the mother is important. Sexually transmitted diseases. In short, we can say STDs. There are many sexually transmitted diseases like bacterial diseases and viral diseases. Bacterial diseases like gonorrhea and syphilis. Viral diseases like warts, HIV/AIDS are sexually transmitted diseases. What is meant by contraception? Contraception is the avoidance of pregnancy, which is achieved by preventing the fertilization of the ova, that is the egg. Methods of contraception. There are 4 methods of contraception. These are physical barrier, chemical methods, intrauterine contraceptive device, IUCD, and surgical methods. Physical barrier is used to prevent the fertilization of the egg. And chemical methods include use of oral pills, which change the hormonal balance of the body so that eggs are not released. Intrauterine contraceptive device, that is IUCD, includes copper T or loop, which is placed in the uterus to prevent pregnancy. And this should be done by expert nurse or doctors. In surgical methods, vasectomy, that is blocking of the vas deferens in males, and tubectomy, that is blocking of the fallopian tube, is followed. So these are the contraceptive methods which are being followed. Lastly, what is known as female feticide. The practice of killing a female child inside the womb is called female feticide. For a healthy society, a balanced sex ratio is required that can be achieved by educating the people to avoid malpractices like female feticide and prenatal sex determination, that is determining the sex of the child before birth. Prenatal sex determination is a legal offense in our country so as to maintain a balanced sex ratio. So this is all about human reproduction, female reproductive system. Please read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.